Hi, Alex. Good morning. What are you working on?
Oh, hi, Jamie. I'm learning some Tibetan greetings. Did you know that in Tibetan, they say Tashi Delek?
Tashi delay.
For hello? Tashi Delek? That sounds cool. How do you say it again? Tashi Delek.
Tashi delay.
Tashi Delek. Does it sound okay? Perfect. That's how you greet someone in Tibetan now. Let's try good morning. It's also Tashi Delek. Good morning, Iqbal Tashi Delek. Got it? Wait, how do you say goodbye? Goodbye is Shuk Danja. Goodbye, Shuk Danja. Okay, now for introductions. In Tibetan, to say my name is you say Gai Ming Ming Yin. Gai Ming Ming Yin. Gai Ming Yin. That's interesting. Can you show me? Sure. My name is Alex in Tibetan. Gai Ming Alex Yin. Gai Ming Alex Yin. Gai Ming Jamie Yin. Perfect. Let's switch. Ask me my name. How do I ask in Tibetan? What's the phrase? You say Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Is that right? Exactly. Now try it with me. Kedrong Ming Gang Yin. Alex, yeah. Your turn. Gai Ming Jamie, yeah. To go. Remember, goodbye is Shuk Danja. Shuk Danja, Alex. I'll practice and see you next time. Shuk Danja, Jamie. And don't forget Tashi Delek for hello.